A person, if within a period of 10 years from the date of his last release or last conviction of the crime of serious or less serious physical injuries, robbery, theft, estafa, or falsification, he is found guilty of any of the said crimes a third time or oftener. A. Recidivist. B. Quasi-recidivist. C. Habitual delinquent. D. Hardened criminal. Answer: C. Habitual delinquent. Berto, with evident premeditation and treachery, killed his father. What was the crime committed? A. Murder. B. Parricide. C. Homicide. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Parricide. The law, which hears before it condemns, proceeds upon inquiry, and render judgment only after trial. A. Ex post facto law. B. Equal protection of the law. C. Rule of law. D. Due process of law. Answer: D. Due process of law. What do you mean by alevosía? A. Craft. B. Treachery. C. Evident premeditation. D. Cruelty. Answer: B. Treachery. 1. Who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of the revised penal code. A. Recidivism. B. Habitual delinquency. C. Reiteration. D. Quasi-recidivism. Answer: A. Recidivism. When the offender enjoys and delights in making his victim suffer slowly and gradually, causing him unnecessary physical pain in the consummation of the criminal act. A. Ignominy. B. Cruelty. C. Treachery. D. Masochism. Answer: B. Cruelty. Circumstances wherein the acts of the person are in accordance with the law, and hence he incurs no criminal and civil liability. A. Exempting circumstance. B. Alternative circumstance. C. Justifying circumstance. D. Aggravating circumstance. Answer: C. Justifying. Circumstances wherein there is an absence in the agent of the crime any of all the conditions that would make an act voluntary, and hence, though there is no criminal liability, there is civil liability. A. Exempting circumstance. B. Alternative circumstance. C. Justifying circumstance. D. Aggravating circumstance. Answer: A. Exempting circumstance. Known in other countries as the body of principles, practices, usages, and rules of action that are not recognized in our country. A. Penal laws. B. Special laws. C. Common laws. D. Statutory laws. Answer: C. Common laws. This right of the accused is founded on the principle of justice and is intended not to protect the guilty but to prevent, as far as human agencies can, the conviction of an innocent person. A. Right to due process of law. B. Presumption of innocence. C. Right to remain silent. D. Right against self-incrimination. Answer: B. Presumption of innocence.